Hi, I'm Scott with AquaQuest, and I'm here to introduce you to our Hideaway Bivy. A lightweight, single-person shelter made for milder conditions, the Hideaway is compact to carry, quick and easy to set up, and comfortable to sleep in. Let's take a closer look. While more packable than most closed shelter options, the Hideaway still exhibits key features ideally suited for backwoods overnighters. The main body of the Bivy is constructed of waterproof breathable, seam-taped 70D ripstop nylon with a TPU window doorway accessed by a full perimeter zip. A large, no-seam mesh inner door lets fresh air in while keeping the insects out. Fully unzip the outer door for maximum breathability and visibility. Additional airflow is exchanged by way of a hooded headroom vent. Keeping the design minimalist and by extension lightweight, the Hideaway only requires one short shock cord pole and a handful of stakes to create a stable and relatively spacious sleeping compartment for one person and a modest amount of gear. The collapsible pole forms a hoop to support a dome space over the upper body, making it a comfortable area to relax in. Because of its small footprint and low profile, the Hideaway can nestle into terrain where a larger tent could never operate. The Hideaway is an excellent choice for three-season adventurers who require a portable single-wall shelter that allows them to sleep a little closer to nature while still remaining secure from the elements. I'm Scott with AQ. Thanks for watching.